Hello everyone, these are my button roses, mini roses, cluster roses, whatever name you can call it. These are the most admired roses from my balcony. The passerbys often stay cool and look at them, and it has become the talk of my locality. I am going to share the tips and the process of watering and adding fertilizers. If you type yes in the comments section, the pink roses, they are very pretty to look at. So definitely I'm going to share the process of its watering, soil, fertilizers, and the period of blooming. So please like and share if you really loved the roses.